Because it is a holiday season, the deals are coming. The deals are coming. Hey y'all, look. We sipping today. It's water because the looks are given. Okay, it's given. But anyway, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by beautyytb Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. I'm talking fast because I'm excited. Okay, so don't judge me. Slow the video down. It is a glueless install and I am doing it with y'all today. So let's go ahead and appreciate what I'm given. Oh, hold on, push it back, push it back. We are getting into this look right here, but before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Alright y'all, so like I said, this unit comes to us from beautyytb Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be fairly easy. It does come with a an elastic band that goes with the unit, so we're going to go ahead and put that joint in right now, make sure it doesn't come out. And we're going to style this unit on our head. Now, normally I would tell y'all to wash your units. I don't feel like doing that today, so we're not going to do it. You know, my little whole bath, we're going to do that, okay? Cut that off. While my niece is getting my spray bottle, this is how that texture is looking. All right, spray it down with some dry shampoo and some water because it does have a slight chemical smell, so we want to make sure we get that out. Smells better already, okay? Let me put some oil on my scalp because it is really dry. Don't ask me what oil I'm using. They ain't paying me, so I ain't saying it. I'm just kidding. It'll be in my Amazon store. I think I'm gonna wear this unit glueless. I mean, who am I faking? Like, of course I am. Okay. Lace is looking pretty good. The hairline is looking pretty good. It does come with those baby hairs, but I don't swoop, okay? I swish. So we're gonna swish more than likely. I don't think I need to pull out, I mean, I'm gonna pull out some. Like right here, I probably can do that. Yeah, see? That was easy. Let's do this one right here. This one, like that. And I don't think we need all these hairs right here, so let's just pull some of those out. Ooh, I think something's in my eye. Something is in my eye. Put this back. Cut the lace off. Cut it in 3. I need to pull a little bit more hair out right here. Let's go behind the hairline. There we go. If you don't want to pull nothing, you definitely don't have to. This is a 20-inch unit, so I feel like the length is pretty much perfect for me. 18 to 20-inch curly wigs is pretty much my sweet spot, so if y'all don't know that by now, now you know. I can never find nothing. I'm pretty sure, uh-oh, wait a minute. Did I cut too much? No, I don't think so, okay. I'm about to say I didn't cut the daggone wig in half. I did cut a little bit more hair, okay. This wig is under $200 right now, and I don't know if that's the sale price or that's their normal price, but for a 20-inch 13x4 curly, kinky curly unit, that's pretty legit, y'all, I'm just saying, so. Do what you will with that information. You know why I'm here. You know why I'm here. Okay, the Nairobi mousse. We doing that yet again. Want that glueless look. I didn't put no powder under my lace because I wanted to see how it blended down without it. I used too much. This is what I get for running my mouth and not paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be doing 4 pumps. That was like 6 on one side. Let's just make it work. Y'all be asking me what I be doing to lay my wigs down. Exactly this. Nothing crazy, okay? Everybody got the bands now. I ain't mad at it. Okay, get your money. Flip that up like this. And then bring this down. I can't see, so I'm hoping this is where it needs to be. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use our Nairobi to define the curls. As y'all can see, there are layers in this wig. So it is shorter on the top and longer on the bottom. So it should kind of flow out like this. Hopefully that's the look that we will get once I fluff this hair. First, I'm gonna brush the hair out with my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. It's combing through pretty easy, and this is dry hair, so I will get some tangles, or I will get some shedding with this and some, you know, hair pulled out because the hair is not wet. Some of y'all like the bush. I don't mind the bush. Out of that, I got a little bit of shedding. Not too much, but again, I was not raking from root to tip on this hair. We'll do that when we do use the Nairobi. Split it down the middle, pin this side up like so. All right, spray the water first. Work it through the hair. Let me get this ring off. It's irritating me. And then we're gonna put on our Nairobi yet again. Saturate, because this is thicker hair. So you're gonna need a lot of it, I think. Maybe not. It's messy. Ooh, and get it all over my ends. Get these curls clumped together. They trying. Come on, come on. Comb it through, comb it through. Ooh, glasses all crooked. Sheesh. I was a little worried, but the texture is coming together. So we doing it, y'all. We doing it. Clump the ends together. Should I cut them a little bit? I don't think I'm gonna cut them, but I will clump them and define them together. Double team. It took less than 5 minutes. I'm not mad at that. I see the difference. Big hair, defined, curly hair. All right, so how we looking, y'all? I think we looking pretty good. Wash my hands off. Icky, icky. Isn't that a song? Icky, 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 icky. Something. I'll go ahead and diffuse this hair, do some makeup, and we'll come back and finish up this look. First, I'm gonna put some chapstick on though, because my lips are ashy like a crackhead. Look at my lips, and they're just getting dry and dry. Lord have mercy. And I'm gonna fluff the hair with my pick. It's still a tad bit damp, but not too much. I'm gonna fluff it from the root, like this. And then we're gonna go under the wig like this and fluff that way. Get some body, get some lift and shape in this hair. Y'all see how that, see what happens? Get your pick. Ain't no need to trust the process. It's gonna do what it needs to do. Go under, pick from the root. I'm about to get in my kitchen, hold up. All right, let me take off the band really quick. Uh-oh, is it on my earring? How is it on my earring? All right, so pretty daggone good, okay? I like that. I cannot see. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm thinking like I can see. I cannot see. Ooh, they foggy. Walking around with mosquito dust. Ooh, child. I don't want to define part because it looks more natural when it doesn't, especially for a curly wig. My opinion. Okay, don't fight me. I need to fluff it and dry it down a little bit more. I'm gonna take off the diffuser. I'm gonna use cool air on high. Too frizzy. I like that. I do need to blend down my lace though. She a little palm color. Let's get that situated. I was gonna put on my wig grip. Should I? Because it is a little loose around my head. Put the glasses on. Put the glasses on. Let me fix that because that looks rough. Where is my contour? Here we go. Better already, okay? Use your contour if your lace is ashy. Don't be walking out here looking crazy. I'm gonna use a little more contour. A little more contour right there. It's a little windy outside in Georgia, so let me stop faking and do what I need to do to secure the wig. All right, like that. There we go. Ooh, wait a minute. I want a little bit more forehead than that. Ooh, that feels so good, y'all. That feels a lot better. I can tell it's snug on my head, but it's not snug to the point that it's gonna give me a concussion. I ain't trying to pass out. My niece Lala will have to give me mouth to mouth. I gotta dry this side down a little bit more. Fluff the hair up like this. Ooh, she's cute. Hold up. I need highlight on my cheeks. Oh, am I forgetting that I am? Listen. She went from Cameron Diaz to Jay-Z. As the hair dries down completely, it will fluff up even more, which will be the perfect look for me. Y'all see my other curly joints, and when I wear them and they fluff up and get a little lived in, they just look, oh, they look good, y'all. They look good. There we go. There we go. Hold up. Let me make sure my front. How I look? I look cute. I look cute. Connor, how I look? I look good? Okay, okay. I must be drunk. I cannot complain about this wig at all. It's top tier perfection, if I must say so myself, and I do. Y'all saw what I did, nothing crazy. I did get a little shine like I told you guys when I did the detangle process and the define of the curls, but again, I did not wash my unit, so most of that will come out when you wash your unit. Y'all, so pretty. So pretty. The hair is soft. I like how it looks. Still glueless. all up around the dome, all up around the forehead. Wherever I want it to go, that's where it will go. If I want a smaller forehead, some people like that, I don't, okay? So I can push it back here and be real comfortable. That's my comfort zone right there. Wait a minute, little back. There we go. Okay, listen. It's the hair for me. And the more this unit dries down, the fluffier and fuller it's gonna get. A 13x4 20-inch kinky curly wig for this price point, because it is a holiday season, the deals are coming. The deals are coming. Daddy Pawpaw, the Sugar Bae, and the Sneaky Link will love this one. Okay, all three of them will love this one consecutively. Okay, yeah, get in where you fit in. Get in. As always, shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below as well as my specs, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.